All anxiety is anticipation of future pain. When someone is having an anxiety attack, they're really anticipating some future pain. I had an anxiety attack so big. My arms are tingling, my throat's shutting down. Like I'm choking, my heart's racing, I'm getting sweaty, tunnel vision. I'm like, oh shit, I'm having a heart attack, dude, right? I'm like, I'm 38 years old having a heart attack. This can't be happening right now. As I go outside, I don't know if it's the fresh air or just a movement, all the symptoms go away. Just kind of fade away. I'm just left a sweaty mess. Turns out it was an anxiety attack, my first one of many that I was gonna have. Found a therapist, went to him after 16 months of work. The first 4 weeks, we worked through my anxiety attacks. Fixed, gone, done. I knew how to deal with it, right?
What did that look like?
Hey, I'll tell you what it looks like. All anxiety is anticipation of future pain. When someone is having an anxiety attack, they're really anticipating some future pain. Likely manufactured, but still anticipating that future pain. The best example my therapist Kevin gave me was, before you go on stage to talk for the first time, you're picturing you're gonna freeze up, lock up, people are gonna start smirking, laughing at you, looking away. That's anticipation of future pain. And then you start having an anxiety attack before you even get up on stage, not realizing that people might go, hey, you got this, you're doing fine, just relax. They start clapping for you. That happened to me the first time. And it just washes over you and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm loved. But again, we come with our damages, so we go, I'm gonna be ridiculed. As I'm working with Kevin, the thing he taught me was one, it's anticipation of future pain. And he goes, here's 4 letters that I want you to just remember. HALT, the word HALT, H-A-L-T. Hungry, angry, lonely, tired. When you're hungry, angry, lonely, tired, you're gonna have an anxiety attack. The alcoholic is gonna go hit the bottle. The drug addict is gonna go find drugs. Those are emotional triggers that take us back to our vice, right? It's like, all right, so I just need to manage those 4 things. Easy enough, easy enough. And over time I did, and it's about self-care. But man, talk about an evolution. The next 15 months were spent on dealing what happened to me as a kid, becoming more self-aware. And I was sexually abused as a kid in Armenia. And I don't even know how he saw it. He goes, so what happened to you as a kid? Want to talk about that? I was like, I don't want to talk about that. The thing that happened to that little boy is fine, Kevin. And he goes, that happened to who? I go, the thing that happened to that little boy is fine, I'm good. Kevin, let's talk about something else. He goes, do you realize you
put him over there.
You put him over there? He goes, that's called disassociation. He goes, that's actually the first step into creating a multiple personalities. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
I just put this little boy in a box and put him away, right? Today I can say that happened to me. It's the first time ever. I was stunted until then, and I needed that journey. It was painful. Many times I walked away with foggy-headed, feeling like I was walking through molasses, but the outcome was amazing. I think more people should take that journey, whatever that journey looks like to them, but it's painful, it's scary.